Today we will study about multiple choice questions based on zoology subject. So now start first question. Variation which can be inherited may arise from two identical pure breeding parents as a result of. The options are number A, improved cultural techniques, B, natural mutation, C, new pruning method, and D, natural selection. So its correct answer is number option B, natural mutation. Due to natural mutation, variation can be inherited, means transfer from one generation to another generation only and only by the help of natural mutation. The second question is, within a group of humans, one which one of the following is an example of continuous variation? The options are number A, occurrence of two sex, number B, tongue rolling, number C, different blood group, and number D, different adult height. So its correct answer is different adult height. The question is, within a group of human, which one of the following is an example of continuous variation? So correct answer is different adult height. That means at the same age, the humans show different height, different length. So this is nothing but the example of continuous variation. The third question is, the gene for normal pigmentation changes to its albino allele in approximately 28 out of each million gametes formed in human. This change is an example of. Option number A, evolution, number B, melanism, number C, mutation, and number D, natural selection. So its correct answer is mutation. So due to mutation, changes takes place, and during these changes, the changes occur in any allele. Among them, albino allele is also affected by it by the help of mutation. So correct answer is number 3. Question correct answer option is C, mutation. Fourth question, how many chromosomes does a zygote which develops into a human with Down's syndrome contain? The options are A 23, B 24, C 45, and D 47. So the correct option is 47. So in the case of the Down syndrome, the number of chromosomes are 47. That's why this is disease takes place due to abnormal number of chromosomes into the zygote. So its correct option is number D, that means 47 chromosomes. Next question, the gene for normal pigmentation. So this question is repeated. The question is nothing but the gene for normal pigmentation changes to its albino allele is approximately 28 out of each million gametes formed in human. This change is an example of. The options are evolution, melanism, mutation, and natural selection. So its correct answer is mutation. Next, why are fruit flies, that means Drosophila, often used in breeding experiments? So the options are number A, adult flies are active organism, number B, at 25C, any generation is produced every 14 days. Number C. Female flies lay a small number of eggs. And number D. Male and female are difficult to distinguish. So the correct option is number B. That means at 25C, a new generation is produced every 14 days. That means here the within a short period the new generation is obtained, and which is highly useful to study. It's helpful in the breeding experiment. Now the next question is, what causes albinism? The options are number A, change in chromosome number, number B, mutation of gene, number C, hormonal deficiency, and number D, dietary deficiency. So the correct answer is number B, that means mutation of gene. So albinism is caused due to mutation of gene. Now the next question is, the process of mitosis ensures. Number A option, changes in the nature of gene. Number B, an increase in the size of cells. Number C, a reduction in the number of chromosomes. And number D, equal division of nuclear material. So in the case of the mitosis, the division occur, and division is based on equal division of nuclear material. So correct option is number D. Next question number 9. A normal human body cell contain 46 chromosomes, comprises 22 pair called autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome. How many autosomes are present in a human sperm cell? The options are number A, 21, number B, 42, number C, 22, and number D, 44. So the correct answer is number C, 22. That means 22 pair of chromosomes are present in the form of autosome. One pair is present as a sex chromosome. That means 46 chromosomes are present in the body cell of the human in normal condition. Among them, the autosomes which are present in the sperm cell is nothing but the 22, and one another sex chromosome. That means 23 chromosomes are present in the sperm cells of the human, but among them only 22 are nothing but the sex autosomes. So the correct option is number C, autosome. Next question. During the life history of a housefly, meiosis takes place only during. The options are number A, metamorphosis, B, hatching of egg, C, production of sperm and egg cell, and D, first division of the zygote nucleus. The correct answer is production of sperm and egg cell. So during meiosis, the chromosome number becomes half in number. So these occur only during the production of the sperm and egg cells, due to which after the zygote formation, the mixing of the nuclear material of sperm and egg takes place, and the chromosome number becomes normal in the zygote. So in case of the meiosis, the reduction division occur, and this situation is seen during the production of sperm and egg cells. So its correct option is C. So these are the correct options of the given questions. So thank you very much.